Dear students, today we see comparison of different economic system. Three types of economic system already you know: capitalism, socialism, and mixedism. And now we see the features of these three systems. The first one, ownership of means of production. Private ownership in capitalism, public ownership in socialism, private ownership and public ownership in mixedism. Then economic motive. Profit motive is main objective of capitalism. Socialism is main objective social welfare. Then social welfare and profit motive in mixedism. Next one, solution of central problems. Free market system in capitalism, central planning system in socialism, mixedism follow central planning system and free market system. Then government rule. Government act internal regulation only. That is, government act only, rule only, law and order maintenance. Then socialism, complete involvement in government rule. Then government role in mixedism is limited role. Then income distribution. Income distribution is unequal in capitalism, equal in socialism, and less unequal in mixedism. Then nature of enterprise. Private enterprise in capitalism, government enterprise in socialism, both private and state enterprises in mixedism. Then economic freedom. Complete freedom in capitalism, lack of freedom in socialism, limited freedom in mixedism. Major problem: inequality in capitalism, inefficiency in socialism, inequality and inefficiency in mixedism. Mixedism follow both merits in capitalist and socialistic economy. Next we see summarize the macroeconomics. Macroeconomics, the branch of economics that studies the behavior and performance of an economy as a whole. Next, economic system, the manner in which individuals and institutions are connected together to carry out economic objectives or activities in a particular area. Next, capitalism, the system where the means of production are privately owned and market determines the economic activities. Only private individuals are governed in capitalist countries. Socialism, a way of organizing a society in which major economic activities and owned and controlled individuals, people and companies. Mixedism means an ideology that mixes or combines the principle of capitalism and socialism in an economy. Next, globalism, an economic system where the economic activities of a nation are interconnected and interdependent on each other nations. That's called globalism. Next, stock, a quantity of commodity that is constant at a point of time, that is static condition. Then flow means variables measured over a period of time, that is dynamic. Economic model, it is an explanation of how the economy or part of the economy works. Next, circular flow, it it shows flows of income, goods and services, and factors of protection between economic agents such as firms, household, government, and nations. Next, recall from first. Two sector model. In the economic models, three types of models are three types based on in economic models. The first one, so in the flowchart 1, two sector model.